Alright peeps, I'm awake. It is Sunday. The sunrise is calling and I must go. Here it is, here's the nature walk to get to this pool. And as the world and society sleeps, I'm awake. I'm going to go shoot the sunrise in Curl and do a nice little walk across to DY and get some cool drone shots of this pool with a rock in it, which is a personal favourite of mine. Sunrises are amazing. You get this serotonin release. There's nature waking up, birds. The colours and the hues are just absolutely fantastic. There is no other part of the day that has this much anticipation, seeing the sunrise. It's like rebirth, regeneration, anew. So many possibilities. An onlooker shot this intriguing video when I was photographing in a storm. Life gets interesting when the weather is wild. You know what folks, I think it's time for a bit of a nature walk. And so it continues, taking stock and continuing the gander, journeying through life. Flora and greenery, colours, glimpses of freedom. Her lesson is patience, if we can but listen.